today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing of my new toy, which is my new baby. This is the Singer Start 1304 series. It's a big box. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is April. I'm a mom of twin. I do a lot of product unboxing in this channel and product reviews as well. So if you're into that, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this machine, and then we're also gonna do the setup. And I'm also gonna show you some of the sample sewing, and also I'm gonna include how to thread and how to do like winding it in the bobbin, winding the thread in the bobbin. Yeah, I'm really excited to do this. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is how the machine looks like. It's not actually big, but it's just perfect. It's very compact. It's a little bit heavy, of course, so it's gonna be sturdy. So first we're gonna have to put it here. So this is my thread. It's coming from the other side, and then we're gonna put it here in this hole. Come on. Yeah, in this hole. If you can see, there are like arrows in here, but actually it took me some time. So since we're not gonna do the bobbin, this thread now comes behind. Okay, so now this comes behind, then to here, and then we're gonna have, oops, to do it here, and then loop it under. Yep. Oopsie. Okay, then we're gonna have to put it here and do like this and go down again. Then we're gonna have to put it here in this hole. Then we have to sharpen the end. So if you want to see, just put the presser foot down. So you'd see that. Oops. Okay, okay. Okay, there you are. So just you put this down, and now this is the other thread, and you put it like this. Then we can start sewing. So let's go back and try it in my fabric. So we're gonna just try sewing with a basic stitch. So let's turn it on, and then what we're gonna do is that is how it goes. Let's see. You see that? That's a really nice stitch. So this is the lock, and this was the stitches. So this is like the one in the middle. So, and then if you want to cut this off, you're gonna have to pull it a little bit, and then just put it here, and done. A couple of things that I wanted to, you know, like give you a heads up is that when I first put the thread, this thread, into the needle, it took me 2 tries, because the first one I did it wrong. So make sure you don't do it incorrectly, so you don't end up having your fabric stuck in the presser foot. So I thought I'm gonna have to change it, and I did change it, and it went perfectly smooth. And another thing is that when I got this machine, it smells you know, like this oil. It smells like oil or something, like machine like oil. I figured that it's coming from the presser foot, because when I practice threading in a cloth, this is a cloth, and then the first few ones, yeah, if you can see that it's not really like white. That's supposed to be white, but it's kind of like dark, because I think of the oil that was in here. So I did a couple more stitches. Yeah, you can see it in here. It's like darkish white. So I did a couple more stitches, and it looked white at the end. So that's when I actually did sew it on the fabric. I practiced with a zigzag. I practiced with a straight stitch. As you can see, there are a couple of stitches in here which you can choose from. I've not really dived into all of those, but I've tried the big ones and the small ones and the very small ones. I don't know what it's called, but I think this one is for basting, like the ones with the longer stitches, because I tried that and it was really loose, so I had to stop it. This lever in here is for the reverse. I didn't know that. I was sewing and then putting back the fabric. This is for reverse, to lock the stitch. So you need to press this and then just, you know, do the stitching. Yeah, so that is it, guys. I hope that you did enjoy this video. As I mentioned, if you are into this stuff, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If you have questions, whatever, whatnot, leave them in the comment section down below so I could answer them. Yeah, I got this off on Amazon, by the way, and I'm gonna post the link in the description box so you could also see where I got it from. It was at 399, I think, dirhams, and it was really worth it. And I'm really happy to have this machine because I've been suffering from, you know, I have this very small compact machine which totally broke down, and with this machine really I can sew a lot of things in less time, and it's really good, and I'm really excited. So I'm into a lot of repairs and upscaling and upgrading my wardrobe, so I do like change them from time to time. If you want to see some of my projects, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm gonna maybe do a separate video for that, and of course we're gonna do a review after some time on this Singer sewing machine, and I'm really just excited to use it. And I hope that this was really helpful, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.